Are you excited for tomorrow?
Is tomorrow Saturday?
No, it's the first day of school.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go to that.
But it's mandatory.
Ooh. Give up.
Elizabeth, you shouldn't be teaching. I mean, I can't think of anyone less suited to being a teacher.
I don't need a blackboard or a classroom to set an example. So stupid.
Morons!
Hey, Elizabeth, you wanna grab a bite sometime?
You still a gym teacher?
I am, yeah.
Then no.
Okay, cool. Well, awesome. This went great. All right.
From now on, my full-time job is finding a guy who's gonna take care of me.
Hi there.
Scott Delacourt.
Elizabeth Halsey.
On the new sub.
How the watch? Is that a Jaeger-LeCoultre?
The family business.
I love how his eyes sparkle when he smiles.
I'm gonna sit on his...
Hey, guys.
Hey!
So, did you and your wife just move to town?
I'm not married. I actually just got out of a relationship. She has such a big heart.
Enormous. If I got a new pair of boobs, he'd be all over me.
But they're really expensive, you know?
Yeah, and you gotta get 2 of them. Who knows? Maybe you'll win the bonus. Oh, damn it!
What bonus?
For the state test. Whichever teacher has the highest scoring class gets a bonus.
Things are about to change around here. Recess is over.
We're having our car wash this weekend. Last year's car wash raised $6,000.
Let's do this.
Whoa.
Lauren Risman's dad called. He said we should have a car wash every weekend.
That's bonkers!
There is no way that LeBron will ever beat Jordan. Call me when LeBron has 6 championships.
That's your only argument?
It's the only argument I need, Sean!
Now, who has the answer to my question? You, Chubbs.
Whoa, wait! Twilight, what do we talk about in class? Don't throw at her, throw through her.
Sign my yearbook?
Hold my balls.